This tutorial will describe the steps needed to turn a PDF or scanned document into a file that is accessible to all readers. To begin, let me explain what a PDF is. PDF is a format or type of document. It stands for Portable Document Format. The PDF format was created by Adobe. When people talk about accessible PDF files, they are usually referring to a tagged PDF file. Even though there is more to an accessible PDF than tags, PDF tags provide a hidden structured textual representation of the PDF content that is presented to screen readers. Screen readers are assistive devices used by people with visual impairments. These hidden elements exist for accessibility purposes and have no visible effect on the PDF file. PDF files are not typically created in Adobe Acrobat. They are usually created in another program such as Microsoft Word or PowerPoint and converted to PDF. The accessibility of the PDF depends on the accessibility of the original document. PDFs may also be made by scanning a document such as a book, magazine article, or newspaper. PDFs created in this way are usually not accessible because they display an image instead of text that can be read by a screen reader. ABBYY FineReader is a document reader that allows users to turn PDFs and scanned documents into Microsoft Word files so they can be edited, converted, and compared to other documents. Once a PDF or scanned document has been converted, you will be able to extract and/or label tables, edit images and text, attach alternative text to images, and correct characters that did not scan correctly in order to create a high-quality digital copy from any scan. The first step is to open ABBYY. Once the program opens, there will be a task window that pops up giving you a list of options to select. The most common option that will be demonstrated will be the image or PDF file to Microsoft Word. Once this is selected, another window will appear that will request that you find and select your image or PDF. Your PDF will then be read and open as a Word document, which you can just close without saving. Open ABBYY, go to the top bar, find Document Layout, and set to Exact Copy. After your file has been read, there will be 4 main sections on your screen. The first is the bar on the far left, which shows the number of pages. Directly next to that is the display that allows you to edit or make changes to how the document was read. On the far right is the document as it appears in Word once it's sent over. At the bottom of the screen is a section that provides a close-up of the section that is selected in the panel above. Before sending the document to Word, it is important to go through each page in ABBYY to make sure that all the data is brought over properly. Every item in the document will be highlighted in one of 6 colors depending on its area type. The most common types are text, which is dark green, a table, which is blue, and an image, which is red. In some cases, a table will contain special characters that Microsoft Word does not recognize. To work around this, a table can be converted into an image. This is done by changing the area type blue into the area type red. Simply right-click on it and click Change Area Type to and select the proper area type. There are other instances when a scanned document contains non-essential information, such as ads in a news article. ABBYY allows you to remove these items by first deleting the surrounding area type and then click Read in the toolbar above. It is always a good idea to go to the top bar and hit the Read button after you've changed something, so you can see in the right panel if you've fixed the document. Once you've gone through the entire document and fixed the formatting, you are now ready to send it to Word to begin the accessibility check. To do this, go to the top bar and click the Send button. This will create a Word document from the PDF that you placed in ABBYY, as well as keep the changes you made within ABBYY. Continue by viewing the next tutorials on how to use the accessibility check in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. For more training using ABBYY or other accessibility tools, feel free to contact the ITRC.